Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far and nice to meet you all. Well, today I'm going to share a tutorial and I challenge myself to make this one, especially I would like to present it to our friend in here, especially Didi Rosforth, because the question is coming from Didi and the question is can someone make this into frames to track and drop photos or patterns in? Well, this one it can be done in Canva, so we don't have to use other applications to execute this kind of design, so we can make it. So I saw here there's a lot of answers from you, and this one you can use it, but I think there's long steps that you need to do it. But there is a trick how to execute this kind of design until you can get like what I did. Okay, so these all I did it in Canva without using other applications, and I'm going to let you know how to make this one. Alright, so first of all, before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sir Saramaha. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet have a Canva Pro account, guys, I suggest you to click this link in here just now, and this is an official link from Canva because I was affiliated with Canva. So if you use this link, and it's a big help for me so that I can get tokens from Canva. But if you are already Canva Pro users, you don't have to use it, this one. You just keep going watching and that's fair enough. Alright, so back to our questions, and this is the things that I've done, and I'm going to let you know how to execute this kind of design. Alright, so I will just make a new one and I will just change this color become the color that I would like to. Yeah, I love this color, and it's up to you guys what kind of color the background, but here I'm going to let you know. And I'm going to copy one of these alphabetic or letter that so I will just take this O over here and I will just copy over this page in here. Okay, so all we're gonna do is here how to make this one, how to drag photo into frame in here. So edit image, and let's see if we have a good speed of internet, and it will remove the background right away. So this is the benefit. If you are Canva Pro users, you can get these tools, you can use it to erase and restore the background. Okay, so now we can see that. Now apply. If you see that now it's clear and it gives you a letter O with lines only. And now I'm going to change the color become white so that we can see clearly. So here do a tone, and randomly you can use which one you like, and I'm going to change the color become white. So you just change the color here become white, and the other one here as well become white. So this is the best way how to change the color when you have element in here. So apply and wait for it. Now after we apply, so our goal is to make this one become frameable. Okay, so you can drag the photo or patterns inside of this letter. Okay, so I'm going to let you know you don't have to go out from Canva. You can utilize, you can use all the tools that Canva provides. So if you are the first time know these tools that Canva provide, because there's a lot of updates right now, so all you're gonna do is there's on the left side, if you are working on your computer PC, so there is here tools all the way down. Okay, just scrolling all the way down, and there's applications. Okay, and there's application in here, and you can choose this one, draw. Okay, create something new, and you just click that one and it will appears in here on the left side of your computer. Alright, so once you have that one in here, so after we get this one, now we need to get the photo, right? So any kind of photo that we are going to use it, for example maybe this one. Okay, now I'm going to put replace background. Alright, so now maybe we have a little bit problem here, how can these things is can be done inside in here. Okay, maybe I will just make it smaller a little bit. I will just make it smaller like this, okay, so that we can know the difference later on. Alright, so there you go. Maybe I'll just move the picture over here or whatever. Yes, something like that. Alright. Okay, so now back to the tools that I'm just mentioning that to the draw. And after that, you just choose which brush are you going to use, and I use this marker, and I will just get the color over here. It's up to you what kind of color. And now I will just adjust the size over here, and I'm going to block this one. Okay, all I'm gonna do is here just to make this one, sorry, it's too much. I will just make bigger this one, or you can use here the slide over here to make it big, this one. And I will just arrange this one. Now you try draw over. Okay, you can try over, you can try to draw over this element in here, and make sure you don't cross over here like this. Okay, so you just follow like what I'm showing you guys, so that you don't have to use other applications. You know, sometimes people out there, they don't have all complete applications to execute this one by using other application, but here let's just use this trick so that we can use, and this kind of design can be done in Canva without using other applications. So this is the best way, an easy way, right? And everyone can use this one easily, because Canva provide these tools. I think it's free. Yeah, it's free. Only the one is not free is removing the background. So once you get this one, now position of this one, you need to put background. Okay, so as you can see, there's still some more here not yet covered on, not yet covered all. So all you're gonna do is you need to make this one smaller, okay, to cover this one. Make sure you change the color that you want to use, and like this, and like this, and okay, like this. And after that, you just put and make it down and press down and position backward. Okay, all right, so now we are done with this. And the other things is we need to use this marker and make it bigger. Okay, now you change the color, sorry about this, you change the color, use the marker and change the color, the same one, and make it bigger and to cover this one. Alright, so this is the best way how to execute this kind of design. So you need to make the background color the same like in here. Alright, so there you go, done. Yeah, hold a second, there you go. Okay, this is the best one ever, and you don't have to use other application to execute this kind of design. And even though it's in the middle, okay, in the middle, all you're gonna do is you just draw in here without crossing the border. Okay, so you just do a little. So this is the benefit, that's the lines of here, it's thick, so that you can hide the lines behind of these lines. And after that, you just it done. And now the position of this one, you need to put it backward. Okay, so there you go. Alright, so now we got this one photo into the frame, so something like that. And maybe you're going to ask, well, how about the other one? If you like, I'm going to change the color, so you just delete it one for a while, and after that you can uh, erase this one, and you can change the color background of this one, maybe become like this. And after that, returning back, and I'm sorry, okay, let's just return first. Okay, now we need to erase this color, and after that, this one, let me just copy first this one. You need to copy this one, and after that you can delete, and this one delete, and now change the color here. Okay, and after that you paste again, and you can cover this one. So there you go. There you go. So this is easiest way how to execute this kind of design. And positioning backwards, okay, all the way forward. One more time. There you go. Right, so guys, this is all the things that I'm going to share, and it is done. And I've done this one, how many letters already? I've done 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that's the secret, how to execute this kind of design, and how to make this one into frame and drag photo into frame, draw photos or patterns. Yeah, right. Okay, so it's up to you which one you like, but if you are going to use Canva only, so that's the trick how to make it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe the channel to support. But if you don't like to get any notifications from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching. That's fair enough. Thank you, and see you again for the next tutorial. Bye bye.